Greetings, we are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. O Apo, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples sa dakumontra at yung wedding? Please speak now or forever hold your peace. Okay? Sa daliking atuan. Daliking atuan. Oh, ikaw si Ima na. Watch your both sides. Okay. Sherilyn, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Roger, are you here of your own free volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Okay, sige nga duwa. Are you here to take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Okay. Roger, will you have Sherilyn to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir.
Sherilyn, will you have Roger to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay. O, si Sing-Sing pakirwanan. Roger, follow after me. Bagam J. Baga. Okay, I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, one, okay. Just 7 lang, follow after me. Ready? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, okay. Patagtama sa mga kapatid pa lang. Yung mother, anamat payo, wish you, diya kasal. Na, pabalik nila ka. Sige, bagayo. Payo, kinwish.
Ate, mabaling ko nga. Ate, mabaling ko nga kurante, anak ko. Muna, number 1, di pa nakisimba na. Kasi bukuin dati pamilyada. Dapat kaduwagan niya ako, Diyos. May kaduwagan. Inayat kayo, nangyaygarupit sinangoy dahil tapos may tinasta na pintas kong ki marriage yun. Mapatano ti anak yung ano saya, tapos tamit na aging inayat kayo mabuo nga pinapintas na relasyon. Babay ni ko ayat itong governance. Ito lang ang balakal.
Thank you. Oh, salamat sa inyo. Nag-wish tayo kay
May pagplaning ba? Pinsan ko lang po siya.
ay kasi wish kay payo di
Wish ko lang, sana tumagal kayo. Kung ano man yung dumating na problema, put that first. And then, yun lang. Lahat na mga yung kaya yung sulbar na lahat ng problema yung dumating sa inyo. Pag-isipan ng mabuti. Hindi lahat ng away kagad. Pag-usapan ng maigit, pag-isipan nyo kung ano pag... Tapos, huwag tayo makakalimot sa taas.
o sa mga kajeli po. So, yung matnang, naman payo, wish check ka sa yan na.
Wish ko for victorious marriage life. Magmahalan sila kasi sabi ng Biblia, love your husband, love your wife. At bawal ang hiwalay kasi God hate ang paghihiwalay. Kaya magmahalan kayo hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Kaya
Salamat, ayaw na luwa. Paano ako na? Si ka Roger, sila ka sa Jerry, hala kay Suna, ayatong libong ang kanda. Si kamo Jerry, kas dyan mo itibang niya, at magka, na agkatumos kayo. Nga man yung liplipatan ni Apo Diyos, di pagkarawan ang biyagyo. Then, may sanuro, ang nga maikat ti anda ti Apa, nga maikat pag-asawa, di anda nga dati dunton. Nga man, nakanyayo nga luwa. Luwa kayo lang ang surba.